Hello PointWise users, and welcome to another Tutorial Tuesday video where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. In this video, we review a recent feature addition enabling the user to define the surface normal orientation for closed models. Let's move to PointWise. This feature was developed with an eye on the future towards mesh workflow automation. As we continue to develop the Flashpoint toolset, this technology will be leveraged by our automatic surface and volume meshing tools. On screen, you will notice I have a cylindrical database model as well as a nested model configuration consisting of a cylinder enclosed by a box. By default, the surface normals will point outward from the database's internal volume. First, let's take a look at how we can manipulate the orientation of a single model, in this case the cylindrical model. If you go to Edit, Orient, you can reverse the orientation by simply clicking the reverse button. Ultimately, you want the normals to point towards the computational domain. Next, let's look at the nested model configuration, which can be typical of an internal flow application. Because we want the normals to point towards the computational domain, the outer model surface normals should point inward, while the surface normals of the inner model should point outward. Let's ensure the surface normals of the outer model point inward. Now that the surface normals are in fact pointing inward, we want to confirm the surface normals of the inner model are pointing outward. If we select both models, set the outer model to the master, and then use the align function to correct the surface normal direction, this can be done automatically, where the inner model surface normals will point outward, or oppose the direction of the surface normals for the outer model. And that is how you can manipulate the surface normal direction for models or nested models in a configuration like you see here. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please drop us a line below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all, and have a pleasant Tuesday.